Hi everyone, this is my unboxing for the September 2019 Ipsy bag. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, this will be news to you, but my little streak has been dyed red. But yeah, this is my first unboxing I've ever done on video. I've gotten Ipsy for about a year now, but I always just keep forgetting to like film me unboxing. It comes in like a parcel thing. But yeah, this is the first unboxing I'm doing on camera, and let's get into it. So I just got this from the mailroom. So let me open it up. Now I tried not to look. Oh, I'm already feeling a brush. I tried not to look at what I was getting for this month's Glam Bag, but I have seen on like Ipsy's Instagram and like other people's YouTube videos, and I also watch. Has Madison Miller done her video on like all the stuff you can get for Ipsy? I don't remember, to be honest, if she has or hasn't, but I usually watch those. So I have like some idea of like the scope of items you can get for this month's bag. And yeah, I was right. The first item is a brush, and it's the Contour 218M brush. Oh, it's a FARAH brush. Okay, I've gotten a FARAH brush before, but the brush one was like a different color. This is like it's all black. The handle's all black, but then I don't know if you can kind of see it. The bristles itself are like blue on the end, and the rest is black. That's kind of cool. So yeah, that's the first item. Let's get to the actual bag. Oh, it's like pink. It's got the constellations on it. That's it. And for the parcel. Oh, and it's got this little like gemstone thing as for the zipper. That's cute. That's cute. Okay, there's a lot in here. Let's get out the card first. What does it say? Ipsy, your glam bag just got better. Starting with your October glam bag, enjoy these new... Oh, it's the new features. So if you're not familiar, like Ipsy's making like some changes to the glam bags in that you can you can like choose one of the 5 products. So like you can like customize it. And then 5 add-ons, which I've gotten add-ons before, and you can add up to 5 add-ons now. I'm not sure what the limit was before. I think it was maybe only just 1. Don't quote me on that. Now you can add up to 5, which I'm sure is great for some people, but for me, I'm already getting 5 items, and then to have even more on top of that, like I think just 1 is like sometimes they'll offer like full palettes as part of their add-ons. That's what I usually go for. Yeah, and we're getting $50. So yeah, and it doesn't say it on the card, but I know they're like on the month-to-month basis, they're upping up to $12 a month as opposed to $10 a month, which I don't really mind. But you can still keep like the $10 a month if you like subscribe to their yearly plan, I think, which I'm not gonna do, because when I'm home for the summer, I just skip those months for like Ipsy delivery, because I don't want to have to like worry about like changing my address and all that. So I just skip those months. It's not like I need the makeup in particular. I'm planning on doing a new video on my makeup collection setup, and it's a lot because I'm in the same room as I was last year, but I changed how I do my makeups, my like how I organize my makeup, and it's a lot. It's a lot. I'm also filming a declutter soon. Ooh, the card actually has like, I'll show the camera, but I won't look. But it shows all the items that I have. So you just saw all the items that I have, as long as everything was in frame, but I don't know, so let's keep going. Now, so I see this big item here right on top. It's bubble wrap. Oh, is this the Madison Miller Oprah collection, if I can get it open? Oh, there's like tape as well as bubble wrap around it. This is intense. Ugh. Yeah, and it's the full size too. That's why it's so big. That is really big. It's the blush. Ooh, in Sweet Stuff. Can I open it? There we go. I have gotten lipstick from FARAH before, so I've tried that, and I actually got that in another Ipsy bag. But I've never tried any of their like Facebook, because I know they're mostly known for the highlighters, and I actually wanted to get Samantha March did a collaboration with FARAH where she did like she had like lipstick bundles, but like the main thing was she made her own like kind of combination highlighter, and I really wanted that, but it was out during the summertime and I was at home, where it's kind of hard for when I'm home, it's just harder for me to order stuff online, because when I'm in the dorm, like things get shipped through our mailroom, so it's kind of like guarded and protected. But when I'm at home, we just live in a house, and package theft is really common in our neighborhood. So my parents get all paranoid whenever I try to order anything. I'm like, it's gonna get stolen. So I really wanted to order that. I should see if it's still available, because it might be. I might be able to order it. But so anyway, this is the blush in Sweet Stuff. And let me do a swatch. Which for a blush, I know is kind of useless. Oh, you can kind of see it. With just my finger, it's very subtle, but yeah, I'm looking forward to trying it. I wonder if I should do like follow-up videos on like how I felt about everything. I don't know if I'll have like time to do all that once school starts up, but I'm gonna try. So let's see. Next item is from something called Lovecraft Beauty, and it's a bronzer. Okay. One thing I do like about Ipsy is they introduce you to all these brands you've never heard of, and there's very few items that I tried from Ipsy that I truly disliked. Most of the stuff I end up at least liking, if not loving. So yeah. Ooh, it's got a little scratched up. That's okay. There we go. Open it. Ooh, that's a nice mirror. But yeah, there's the bronzer. Looks like a typical bronzer. Luckily, I am like right on the cusp between being light-skinned and dark-skinned. I'm like right in the medium kind of area, skin tone area. So like none of the blushes or the bronzers that have been sent to me by Ipsy have been either too light or too dark, but I know that's not the case for everybody. It's just I am aware I'm in that fortunate position. Oh, Colored Rain! Here's the next item. It's a single eyeshadow in Champagne Life. I've wanted to try Colored Rain. I was so close to buying, what was it, the Queen of Hearts palette. I ended up backing down at the last minute. But I can try it now. It's kind of like a old gold, kind of yellowy shade. Can it show up in a swatch? Ooh, it can. Ooh. Wow, why is it so bright, my lighting? I swear, I mean, it's not like I haven't filmed in this dorm before. But I don't know, there's like something different about the lights. I'm gonna have to work on that. Yeah, that was the eyeshadow. Ooh, it's so pretty. I know, I'm like freaking out over like a basic gold shade. I know, but I don't know. There's something about like golds that I really love. And the last item is for, oh, Briogeo, and the cap is loose. Okay. Don't Despair Repair Strengthen Moisture Leave-In Mask. Now, I'm of all like the beauty categories out there, hair is something I know the least about, as you can tell. Oh. So I don't know if this is something that would work for me. Okay, so let me read the instructions. Don't despair, repair, strengthen, moisture, leave-in mask. It's formulated with algae extract, something something, and a unique argan oil, micro something something technology. Visibly repairs and strengthens damaged hair and split. Okay, I could do that. I guess what ends a lot. So this is something I could use. So yeah, maybe I should do like a video about like my follow-up thoughts on all of these. Maybe like, because I know some YouTubers, what they do is they'll like do the follow-up for last month in that next upcoming month's Ipsy unboxing. So I might want to do that. Or I just could do a separate video. I'll figure it out. But yeah, those are my items for the September bag. And September, oh, wrong side. And September is also my birthday month. So for birthday month, you know, full-size blush, and then Colored Rain eyeshadow, which I know I'll like. There we go. I know I'll like that shade. So yeah, so this has been a pretty good bag. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you either next month or in the next video. Bye.